In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum all of you. My name is Abdul Basit and you are watching Lawyers TV. So viewers, the first interesting thing is that scientists have arrived closest to Mars, and they have said that the effect of life have been found there to a great extent, and it has to do with Turkey. What is this thing and have they been found there? We will tell you all this in today's videos. So viewers, it's amazing that scientists has been come so close to Mars, so they seem to have a relationship with Turkey, because there is a lake in Turkey called Selda. Now the information that scientist has taken from there, according to him, there are lake in Turkey that contain minerals and sandy minerals. It's the same who have found minerals on Mars. It's same to same. Now we will see that the whole world is moving towards Turkey. So viewers, if you like the video, so please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.